Hi guys, we're happy to introduce P1 Manufacturing as one of the products that we recently took on here at Real Street and are now offering on our website. P1 is no stranger to the drag race world and in fact have been making billet blocks for several years now that have been used in several Top Fuel cars. Wanting to step further into the drag racing industry, P1 has decided to start manufacturing of different types of hardware kits. In front of us we have some of their popular offerings from Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, and these range from head studs to main stud kits. If you're interested in finding out more information, you can reach out to one of our build advisors and they'd be happy to help you select the correct fastener kit for your application. If you're looking to see availability on this inventory, you can go onto our website, REALSTREETPERFORMANCE.com, and check the live inventory feed that we offer on that website. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.